What's going on, y'all? Today I'll be showing you, this is my trade recap, what I saw, why I entered, when I entered, all that good stuff. You feel me? All right, so how I found my daily bias, or how I found it today, was I went to the 4 hour chart as we are here. And as you can see, I already have it marked out. It was this here right here, or this fair value gap. This wick came in, touched it, and instantly left. Didn't close anywhere in it. That instantly gave me my indicator, my knowledge, you know what I'm saying, that it's bullish. That's all I needed to see, right? So then after I found that, I went down to the 1 hour time frame, and this is where I mark out key levels, liquidity. I usually do London highs, London lows, Asia high, Asia lows, right? Just to see where the market is at. As you can see, I have my Asia lows marked, my Asia high. You might be like, where's the London high and where's the London low? London high and low, or London high never, I mean, Asia high never got swept, right? You know what I'm saying? And the Asia low never got swept either. So at that point, I'm not even going to put the London high or lows in there, right? So I already saw that and I already had this buy side marked out. So I already have my key levels and I'm bullish on the day. So I'm obviously targeting this buy side, right? And then I just went to the 15 to see, just to see a little clearer, you know, we got equal lows down here. This is all I was looking at. We have relative equal highs up here, right? After I noted that, went straight to the 1 minute. Well, where's the chart at, man? Where's the chart at, dude? All right, here we go. Hold on, let me zoom in for y'all boys. Okay, so what are these lines right here? These are just relative equal lows. I don't know why it's slanted like that. Hold on, y'all. It is straight over here. Anyways, and the relative equal highs, right? So market opened, it took out these highs instantly. I peeped that off the rip. So once it swept those highs, I was waiting to see what it did. Before I get into an entry, I always wait or try to wait for the first presented fair value gap, which is obviously marked, right? So market came up, swept those, came back down, and then this is where my entry formed. I already have it marked out because after every trade, I mark out where I entered and then where my TP was, and I usually type, and log it, but I already deleted that because I already logged it. But anyways, right? Market came down, came back up, formed the first percent of fair value gap, right? Created a breaker and closed above an order block. I'm gonna break those down so y'all can see breaker, high, low, lower low, higher high, right? So this would be the breaker, right? And then order block right here, pretty simple. And then damn, the first presented fair value gap is right there. So, all right, entered right as it touched back down, and my full TP was here. I didn't take partials, um, because the only partial I really would have taken was probably the Asia highs, but since it was so close, I was like, there's no point. You might be like, why didn't you take it to the full buy side? Because I already had it marked out. I just wanted this 10K payout, my nigga. You feel me? Keep it a book with you. Keep it a book with you. But then after I entered, let me see how many candles. One, two, three. Took 9 candles, 9 minutes for me to make 1,400 on three different accounts. So that's like 40. That's like 4,000. Yeah, it's what I saw in the market. Hopefully, y'all trade ICT concepts too. That helped y'all. I will be explaining my strategy eventually. I got to do that, knock it out for y'all. But yeah, that was my trading concept. Or that was my trade recap. See y'all niggas later.